Hello everybody! Today we're coming to you guys live from Tomorrowland, but we're going to be heading over towards the Tron area because I just saw one of the Tron vehicles go through, so we're going to kind of hang out in that area and hopefully see another one go through. Otherwise, we're kind of taking a look at some of the progress going on over there. Let's do this thing. We're kind of hanging out over here. I'm literally right next to the construction hall. We're going to hang out over here. It's really tough to see the Tron track over on this this angle here. I saw it from the people mover, so we're going to try to find a different angle down here. Otherwise, we're going to go ride the people mover and take a look at the construction from there, and maybe we'll hop on the speedway as well. So let's go check this out. Alright, we're on the people mover right now. I saw it on the people mover earlier. I'm hopefully we will see it from this angle. Hopefully we'll see it from this spot over here. If they're doing it the way they've done it in the past, they're just launching it off every now and then, so it's not going to be consistent.
It's the perfect vehicle for people watching, so keep your eyes peeled. You never know who you might see.
Well, we might see a roller coaster. So the way this roller coaster works is it comes out of this tunnel down here, shoots up here, and it goes down around. The last time I was just a little bit further back, but I saw a launch off. Come on, launch. 1, 2, 3, launch. No, come on.
Welcome back to Tomorrowland. Be sure to visit Space Mountain while you're here for an adventure that's out of this world. Outer space adventure.
It's going to be the tunnel for the train right here. They also just built this new fountain over here not that long ago. I'm getting closer. Definitely getting closer. I just want to see this car go again because I freaked out big time. Alright, next up, we're going over here to the speedway. Hopefully we'll get another view from there. Oh yeah, unfortunately there was no roller coasters going when we were going over there. However, the canopy is now lighting up at night. It is not lit up right now. We are going to come back later on, probably go on the people mover so we can look at the new canopy. I've seen it twice, but I've not seen it this close. I saw it from the monorail once, and I saw it one time while walking back to my car. So we will see it tonight from probably the people mover. I got fireworks going up here. We got the new lighting over here. Let's go by it here. Oh yeah. Got installed last week. I love it. I've seen it from further away. I've never seen it this close before. That's so cool, man. Look, it's lighting up different colors. Holy cow. What? That's so cool. customizing. That's so cool. Yeah, keep on playing with the colors. That's really neat. I like the that's cool, where it's like a rainbow. Or like, it's like waves. Okay, we're gonna wrap up today's video right here. Tron's gonna be opening up sometime later on this year. We don't have a specific date yet, but it is getting closer and closer, which makes me extremely excited. As always, if you've not liked this video, make sure you give it a like so we kind of boost up in that algorithm. It helps the page and the channel out a ton, so they get to know who's been clicking the like button. Also, let me know down below, are you guys excited for Tron? And of course, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe by pushing this button right down here. Until tomorrow, we'll see you tomorrow. Oh yeah.